The reality is that many young people in South Africa are not living the future they hoped for.
UMashatile uthi bayabona benguhulumeni ukuthi iningi lentsha yakuleli aliphili impilo eyabe iyiphupho layo. Uvumile ukuthi intsha yanamuhla ithole kanzima, kodwa ke uthi akulahlwa mbeleko ngakufelwa.
To the youth of our country, do not give up in pursuing a better future for yourselves and a better future for our country. Your voice, your ideas, and your energy are the fuel that will definitely build this country.
Ngokwezibalo zakwa-Stats SA, iningi labantu bakuleli abaphakathi kweminyaka engu-18 kuya ku-34 alisebenzi. Iphini likaMengameli ligqugquzele intsha ukuthi izisungulele awayo amathuba omsebenzi, uhulumeni uzoyeseka.
We must encourage the youth to trust and believe in their ability to start and grow their own businesses. And we must give them the tools and support to do so.
Isifundazwe sase-Northwest sihamba phambili ngezibalo zentsha engasebenzi. Undunankulu wesifundazwe uthi sebebeke eceleni imali engango-750 million yokwakha amathuba omsebenzi azobhekela intsha.
We have set aside more than 750 million rand in the Northwest to deal with unemployment. So the Department of Labor, of Employment and Labor has collaborated with the provincial government.
Njengoba uhulumeni ezohambela kuzo zonke izifundazwe, ohlelweni lwezingxoxo i-National Dialogue, kunxuswe intsha ukuthi ibe yingxenye yalezi ngxoxo.